Welcome back, guys, to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, where our mission here every week is to teach you guys how to make better cocktails. Now, I'm sure you've heard the news. Our isolation restrictions are easing. Yes! So that means in the near future, you'll probably get the opportunity to visit your family and friends. And now I know that you don't want them to think that you've been sitting at home for the past few weeks, binging Netflix, drinking wine out of a goon bag. You want to show them that you got class and style, and you are the same party animal that you were back in 2019. So today, our featured drink is the Martini. We're gonna be making 3 different types of martinis today. The classic Gin Martini, a Lychee Martini, and for those of you with a sweet tooth, we're gonna make a Chocolate Martini. So let's dive into it, pull up a bar stool, and let's take a look at the ingredients that we're gonna need. So for the classic Martini, we are gonna need some gin, and we're also gonna need some vermouth. For the Lychee Martini, we're gonna be using some vodka, some lychee syrup, splash of vermouth. And for the Chocolate Martini, we're still gonna be using vodka, we're gonna be using Bailey's, we're gonna be using a chocolate liqueur, and some chocolate sauce. And let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start off by making the classic Gin Martini. Our first step is to add 2 shots of gin. You can use your favorite gin. I'm using a Roku gin from Japan because I really love the floral and citrus notes it has. Following that, we're gonna hit it up with half a shot of vermouth, and we're gonna pour this into our beaker and stir. We are stirring this because James Bond did not get this right. Shaking really disrupts all the flavors you're gonna get in a lot of the gins, and we wanna infuse that into our drink. So that's why we are choosing to stir this instead of shake it. When we're done stirring our drink for about 60 seconds, we're gonna pour it into our martini glass, add a couple olives, and we will be ready to go. And there we have it, the classic Gin Martini. All right, next up is our Lychee Martini. We are gonna use a shaker for this one, so we're gonna add some ice and then throw about 2.5 shots of vodka into it. Following the vodka, we are gonna add 1.5 shots of lychee syrup. Yes, it's a syrup, so it is okay to shake this drink. Just to keep it on the martini scale of things, we're gonna add a splash of vermouth. I like to just use the cap to fill it in. We are gonna shake it, add our lychee to our glass, and then pour our drink into it. Check this out, the Lychee Martini. And now, finally, for everyone with a sweet tooth out there, we are gonna make a chocolate-flavored martini. Again, because we're adding chocolate cream to it, we can put it in our shaker, and we're gonna start off by adding 1 1/2 shots of vodka. We're gonna follow that up with 1 1/2 shots of Bailey's, and then to really give it a strong chocolate flavor, we are gonna add 1 whole shot of a chocolate cream liqueur. We're gonna shake this drink up, and before we pour it, we are gonna garnish our glass with a bit of chocolate sauce and pour the drink. Ooh, this one is really tasty if you love chocolate. And there we have it, 3 classic, easy to make martinis. Just the thing you're gonna need to show everybody that you got style for the rest of 2020. Cheers, everybody.